What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind. But still, the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders, are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today we will talk about how to enter in 1 minute time frame. So let's get started. So you're seeing now I'm here at pound USD. So as you can see here, price is in a downtrend. So what I mean by having a downtrend, so you may see a high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we wanna say that this is in a downtrend because we're seeing those legs that having a lower highs and a lower low. So our bias is in a downtrend, or sell or short trade. So as you can see, there's a lot of break of structure like this one. Break of structure right there. This one, and then this one. So you may also consider the session, because it is when you see the Asian range here, right here, it is not that in a good level to to trade, because it builds up a lot of liquidity. So again, we wanna try if we could test if our bias is all good. So let's see in a 15-minute. So that's in 1 hour. So this is the break or significant break that we've seen in a 15-minute time frame. So I wanna for me, I wanna use this this one as my supply zone, because it has this break of structure. We try to look at this in like a lower time frame, we could see a lot of, right, that we could see a lot of breakup structure. So we can refine it in 3 minute or 1 minute time frame. So since our topic is to, to enter in a 1 minute time frame, um, just to show you that the strategy is also working in a lower time frame, but we also wanna use the higher time frame for our biases and lower time frame on our confirmations of entry. So as you can see here, price is building a liquidity, right? There's no like a um major move to the upside, but it is when you try to check it in a 5 minute, it is like reaching or correcting its price and maybe um tapping on our POI. So let's see if it will like go at least on this zone. So it taps on our zone, and let's go down to 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we could, if there's a change of character in this one, because as you can see, price did this bullish move, right? And tapped on our POI. So let's see if we could see a bearish momentum. So this one, this move right here, right? It's a bearish engulfing candle that takes over this move right here. So we wanna have a confirmation that we are in a bearish trend. So I wanna see another break of structure. So we see this, right? We see this one. So if the price breaks the previous low or previous high, it created a demand or supply. So in this case, it created this supply zone. So um I wanna take this opportunity to like put a sell limit on this area. So I just wanna make sure that um my stop loss is on this high. So if you want to like place or take profit, I always take the 15 minute or maybe the much higher time frame. But since we're not sure if this price will go upside, we want to make sure that it's still a valid zone. So usually we we always take advantage on the liquidity. So if you see this kind of structure right here, so we all know that this is an equal low, that maybe price will go down here or this one. So maybe we could like place our take profit right here. So we could actually set our take profit one here. Okay, let me just type that. Take profit one, take profit two. So on this low, this one. So meaning to say, for me, it's always good to take partials. So at least your hard work in analysis on your charts are paid off. So let's see if the price will go here on our sell limit. So it um it goes back on our sell limit, but take note of this move right here. It really pushed to the upside, but let us see if it respected or it will hold the price. So price have this bearish momentum here, right? So I think that is a good indicator that the price is going down. And on this one, because it breaks this low, right? So, and the candles are really in a bearish engulfing candle. So, um, we could say that this is the price is going towards the downside. Okay. 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 So take profit one has been taken out, and take profit two has been okay. So um that's our explanation for this 1 minute entries. You could try this in your back testing and um check if it will respect all the supply areas or demand areas on lower time frame. So see you on our next video. Bye bye.